Hey guys, I hope you're all well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and another review video. I know I've got a couple of these going up around the same time, but basically I'm trying to do more like relaxed videos for myself and also get around to all of the sit down videos I always mean to do but don't do because I do loads of hauls. So I wanted to review the Prada Derby shoes that I've got. I had quite a lot of questions about them, and I feel like a lot of people have like done and have the ankle boots, and I went for the shoes, which I feel like are a bit different, so I thought it might be interesting to review and people might find it helpful. Because when I first got them, so I got them because I thought they would be a great investment buy, as I do with any big purchase. Though when I say purchase, I did actually get gifted them from Farfetch, so they were a gift, but they gave me a voucher, so I could have got anything from Farfetch if that makes sense. So even though it wasn't my money, I still felt like I treated it like my money because I could have picked anything. So like, I really did think about what I was going to get, so I still would not like just get something that I'm only going to wear once. Like, I would still pick something that is a real investment buy, if that makes sense. I got them from Farfetch because I was working with them, but I would highly recommend looking on there as well, because I know that these and the boots are often out of stock on some of the mainstream sites. Not that Farfetch is a mainstream, but if you didn't already know, Farfetch, this isn't an ad by the way, Farfetch do actually have, like, if you didn't know how they're made up, it's like, say I had a boutique in Stamford where I live and I sold designer stuff, rather than having to like pay someone to create my own website, I could just upload my stock onto the Farfetch website, and then if someone buys something, I just ship it with Farfetch packaging or whatever. I don't know how it works with shipping, but anyway, so it's like little boutiques from all over the world. So I often find that if there's something that I can't find in stock, it will be on Farfetch. It does mean that sometimes the prices vary a bit because it can have like taxes included, or like the exchange rate if you're getting something from like Italy or America. But yeah, it's a really great place to look if you are looking for something that's sold out everywhere else, because they usually have it. So yeah, these are the shoes. They are the Derby shoes, I believe. That's what they're called. I've got them in the patent. I'm really sad that I haven't had a chance to. I wore them quite a lot when I first got them, because we'd come out of lockdown, seeming like the issue that I'm not going to say because I don't know if it will affect my video getting like demonetized or whatever. It was seeming like that was gone, and it was seeming like we were just like going back to normal. It was around, not summer, but like autumn. And yeah, so I was wearing them loads, loving them, and then we had another lockdown and it all went downhill, so I haven't really had a chance to wear them properly, but I definitely will wear them next season. They're just, and like through summer, I just think they're a real classic shoe. Like, I don't think that I will ever get sick of these shoes. So they're super chunky. They're quite a heavy shoe, but they're not like too heavy. I find them, did I say comfy or chunky? I find them comfy. I've worn them quite a few times without socks, which I don't recommend. And the only time I've ever found them uncomfortable is when the laces, you know, when you get them like stuck in between your toes or something, and like, because I'm lazy, don't move them, and then I end up with a blister. So literally it's like just lace placement, and then that's fine. I find them really comfortable. I found them true to size 2. I got size 8 and I'm a size 8. I think they're a generous size 8, if anything. I really like this detail here. I just really love them. They're kind of quite gothic. I like the fact they're patent too. I don't really have any patent shoes. I just thought there was just something so special about them, and I really liked the boots as well. But the thing about the boots is, I just feel like, I mean, obviously if you want the boots, get the boots, because you should get what you want. But for me, I was just like, I've got so many pairs of black boots. I really like those boots, but I feel like, how are they different from anything on the high street, if you know what I mean? Whereas I feel like these are really special and unique, and I mainly wear jeans anyway. and they look so nice with jeans. I've worn them with loads of different outfits, so I'll do a couple of outfit try-ons after this to show you, but obviously bear in mind that I'm heavily pregnant, so they're not like going to be my best outfits. But I'll put some pictures in, but yeah, anyway, or like link below some outfits where I'm wearing them so you can have a look. But yeah, so I basically, that's what I'll do. I'll try some outfits on and I'll link below some outfits where I'm wearing them. And I'll also link the shoes below. It will be an affiliate link, and this jumper, which means that I'll make commission. It doesn't affect you guys. It doesn't cost you anything. Like literally, if you click on a Google ad and you buy something, like, you know, when at the top thing on a Google search, Google make commission. So like everything basically is a commissionable link, but it's just that I will get the money instead of Google. So if you want to use my link, I'll be very grateful. But I'll link them below from wherever I can find them in stock, because they do come in and out of stock quite regularly. But yeah, I can't remember what I was saying now. Yeah, I just think there's something special about them. I wear them with jeans, they look really nice. I've seen them as well. So the person that I saw had them that I really like, I think she's the only person that I follow that's got them, is Sophia Kelho. I follow, that's her name, I'm not 100% sure. But she's really cool. I love her style, and she wore them with black ankle socks as well, and they look almost like a bit of a boot and look really nice with like dresses and things. And in the summer she wore them with like little skirts and then like Nike chunky socks, like the white ones. Look really cool too, very like 90s grunge vibes. But yeah, I highly recommend them. Also, considering I what size 8 feet, like I feel like they look really small. Like maybe you guys don't think they do, but I think that they look quite small, and like any fellow big feet people out there will like agree with me that that is a really good thing. But yeah, so got a little bit of a PRADA sign there on the thing, and there. I don't really know what else to say. They're very heavily cleated, probably good for wearing in the snow. That's about it. But I hope that you guys found this video helpful. I'm gonna insert at the end some outfit ideas. So this is outfit number 1. So I've just got, none of my clothes are maternity, by the way. I don't think in this video, I haven't bought many maternity clothes. Not a big fan of them. Sorry about the mess. I'm not a big fan of them. And I like clothes that I'll be able to wear again. So I've got this jumper. I think this is actually maybe a small, or I got a medium. I'll link everything featured below and sizes. But anyway, so I got this jumper, which is so cute with a little collar, which is one that I was wearing filming, just with a scarf to add some more interest. Love this scarf. And then I've got these split hem leggings, which look so cool with the Prada shoes. I really love this look a lot. And these are actually just regular leggings that I got in a large, and they fit me perfectly, even though I'm 32 weeks at the moment. And they're nice and tight on the leg too, whereas yeah, obviously if you had to go up in trousers they wouldn't be. So I didn't think I'd be able to wear this trend, which I was really obsessed about, but it's fine. So I actually got those in grey as well because I loved them so much. So you have to excuse the fact that my zip is undone on these jeans, but I wanted to show you them with jeans because that's how I was wearing them a lot. So these are actually meant to be a bit more cropped, but obviously because of my big old belly, can't pull them up as much. But yeah, I love just a flash of ankle. They look so nice with jeans. This is just like a straight leg pair. I've got them in blue too, and they look really nice with those. But I just wanted to show you with black jeans because the next pair, spoiler, are going to be blue. And then just got a simple cream jumper, and this is my fave winter coat. Honestly, I've had it 2 years. Comes back in stock every year. It's actually in sale at the moment on ASOS, so I'll link it below there because it's full price on Stories, which is where it's from. God, I'm so out of breath. But yeah, really love this look. Just so simple, and I just feel like it's such a simple look, but a shoe like this just really elevates it. I just think it looks so cool. And if you had like the boots, I just don't think it would give it the same look. So the final outfit, I've just gone for like a really cute casual pastel outfit, and I've got my long jeans on, which is what I was wearing mainly with them. I just love this kind of look of like the long jeans, and I'm sorry about all the cables and slippers everywhere. And yes, and then I've just got this oversized knit on, which I just did a story before I filmed this because I was like, actually I think this is like my favourite buy of 2020, and it's kind of given me an idea of doing a video of like my top things that I bought in 2020. Maybe I'm going to do that. But yeah, anyway, and then I've got my jeans on, which do not fit at all. But yeah, so this is a really cute outfit. Let me show you with a coat to make it more weather appropriate. So this is it with my puffer jacket, which I also have been living in, probably the most out of anything, because obviously it still fits me, and also just like the weather, and mainly been going out for walks and stuff. So this is like perfect. It's actually from the men's section, but I'll link it below with like what size I got man wise, because it's like 44, 46. I was like, what the hell does that mean? But yeah, probably need to, it doesn't look great with the jumper tucked, but if it's like under, there we go. And yes, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. As said, videos will be quite sporadic and more relaxed at the moment, seeing as I am now on the 2-month countdown to baby time, which is very scary. And if there's anything you want me to do based around pregnancy and stuff, let me know as well. I was thinking of doing something about my hospital bag maybe. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.